Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we break down cybersecurity concepts in a way that just clicks. Today, we're talking about the essential tools every IT pro should know when it comes to network troubleshooting. Whether you're tracking down a slow connection or diagnosing a network outage, these tools are your go-to gear. Let's kick off with ping. This is your basic connectivity check. Ping sends a small packet to a target IP address and waits for a reply. If it responds, the device is reachable. If not, you might be dealing with a downed host, firewall block, or routing issue. It's like saying, "Hey, are you there?" and waiting for a response. Next is Traceroute. Traceroute helps you follow the path your data takes across the internet to reach its destination. It shows each hop between routers and how long each step takes. This is super helpful when pinpointing where delays or failures are happening along the route. Then we have NSLookup and dig. These tools check DNS records, helping you troubleshoot domain resolution issues. Can't access a website? Use NSLookup to see if the domain is pointing to the right IP address. Netstat is another powerhouse. It shows you all the active connections on a machine, including IP addresses, ports, and protocols. Great for spotting unauthorized or suspicious activity. Wireshark takes things to the next level. It's a packet sniffer that captures and analyzes network traffic in real time. You can inspect each packet to see what's really happening under the hood. Useful for advanced troubleshooting, protocol analysis, and detecting anomalies. Let's not forget IPConfig on Windows and IFConfig on Unix-based systems. These tools show network interface settings, IP addresses, and gateway info. They're perfect for basic checks and reconfiguring local settings. And finally, there's Nmap. This tool scans networks to discover devices, services, and open ports. It's great for mapping out your network and identifying potential security gaps. Using these tools together gives you a comprehensive view of network health and helps you zero in on problems quickly and efficiently. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time!